Hi kids! How are you today? This is Teacher Nico from Chalor School. So once again, welcome to another science class. So in this presentation, we will talk about the sources of sound. Again, sources of sound. And repeat after me. Sources of sound. Very good. So this is our vocabulary words. So what are our vocabulary words? So we have the types of sound. Again, types of sound. So what are the types of sound? First we have the natural sound, and the second one is the artificial sound. Again, natural sound, artificial sound. Very good. So first let's start with this. The first question is, what sources of sound is it? So the answer is, it is a human sound. Again, it is a human sound. Now, can you spell human? H-U-M-A-N. Human. Very good. So next, what sources of sound is it? Look at the picture. So it is a thunder. Very good. It is a thunder. Now, can you spell thunder? Start with letter T. T-H-U-N-D-E-R. Thunder. Very good. So next, what sources of sound is it? Look at the picture. So it is an ocean wave. Again, it is an ocean wave. Now, can you spell ocean wave? O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. Next, W-A-V-E. Wave. Ocean wave. Very good. Next, what sources of sound is it? Look at the picture. So the answer is, it is a bird. Okay? It is a bird. Very good. Next, what sources of sound is it? Look at the picture. So, it is a wind. Okay, it is a wind. Now, can you spell wind? W-I-N-D. Wind. Very good. Next, what sources of sound is it? Look at the picture. What he is doing. Alright, so it is a car horn. Again, it is a car horn. Very good. Can you spell car horn? C-A-R-H-O-R-N. Car horn. Very good. Next, what sources of sound is it? This one. Alright, it is a piano. Again, it is a piano. Now, can you spell piano? P-I-A-N-O. Piano. Very good. Next, what sources of sound is it? Look at the picture. Okay, it is an alarm clock. Again, it is an alarm clock. Now, can you spell alarm clock? A-L-A-R-M-C-L-O-C-K. Alarm clock. Very good. Next, what sources of sound is it? This one. Alright, it is a radio. Again, it is a radio. Can you spell radio? R-A-D-I-O. Radio. Very good. And next, I think this is the last one. What sources of sound is it? This one. Very good. It is a television. Again, television. Now, can you spell television? T-E-L-E-V-I-S-I-O-N. Television. Very good. So this time we are going to answer the sources of sound that can be categorized into two groups, so which is this one and this one. So all you need to do is to fill in the table below. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and also this one. All you need to do is to choose the words from the following box. Here, this is the words inside the box. Okay, so our sentence structure is, what sources of sound is it? Okay, so the first one, what sources of sound is it? What type of sources of sound is it? So it is a natural. Very good. Natural. So came here from the natural, all you need to do is to write natural. Okay, so next, all we need to do is to write the examples of sources of sound from natural sound and from the artificial sound. Okay, so let's start with this one. What sources of sound is it? Very good. It is an ocean waves. Again, it is an ocean wave. So, an ocean wave is a natural or an artificial sources of sound. Very good. That is a natural sound. Next, number 2. Alarm clock. What sources of sound is it? It is an alarm clock. Okay. Is it natural or artificial? Very good. An alarm clock is an artificial sound. Very good. Next, thunder. Thunder. What sources of sound is it? It is a thunder. So, a thunder, is it natural or an artificial sound? Very good. A natural sound. Next, birds. What sources of sound is it? So, it is a bird. So, a bird, is it natural or an artificial sound? What is the correct answer? That is a natural. Very good. Next up, what sources of sound is it? Okay, it is a piano. Okay, very good. It is a piano. So a piano, is it natural or an artificial sound? What is the correct answer? That is an artificial sound. Very good. Next, what sources of sound is it? Alright, it is a radio. It is a radio. So a radio, is it natural or an artificial sound? What is the correct answer? That is an artificial sound. Very good. Next, what sources of sound is it? It is a wind. Very good. It is a wind. So a wind, is it natural or an artificial sound? What is the correct answer? That is a natural sound. Very good. Next, what sources of sound is it? Alright, it is a television. Again, it is a television. Now, a television, is it natural or an artificial sound? What is the correct answer? That is an artificial sound. Very good. Next, humans. What sources of sound is it? It is a humans. Okay? So, humans, is it natural or an artificial sound? What is the correct answer? That is a natural sound. Very good. And the last one, what sources of sound is it? That is a car horn. Okay, very good. So, a car horn, is it natural or an artificial sound? Of course, obviously, a car horn is an artificial sound. Very good. So once again, what are the two types of sources of sound? We have natural and artificial sound. And what are the examples of natural sound? We have ocean waves, thunder, birds, wind, and humans. Next, what are the examples of an artificial sound, we have an alarm clock, a piano, a radio, a television, and a car horn. There you go. And I think that is all for today. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching and see you again next time. Goodbye!